Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Stock Buddha. Guys, we know the last 2 weeks have been very choppy and the market has been bleeding, and so is our portfolio. I am with you guys, and such has been in the case of our Webull account. We have lost so much, but guys, don't worry, we will make it up and we will come back strongly. So what I say is, like, whatever happened on Friday when discounts were like 20% down, guys, it was a Black Friday sale. Every stock market on the market was on a discount sale. So we had already predicted this will be a dip, and then at the dip we should be doing is, like, we should be buying the shares. So I went shopping definitely in my other account, but obviously for the Webull there was like a limited cash we had, and we were still due to put up our monthly cash in the account as we discussed on the first video. So guys, go ahead and put some cash in your account because still you have the room to buy things at low. And definitely then I will be talking about GTC trade, because one of the GTC trades got executed in our my Webull account, and that's how it is showing some profit there on that part, but the rest of the other things are still red. So guys, if I am able to make you think in a different perspective or make you understand the things, do subscribe and like the channel, do share the channel with your families. That's all, and let's go ahead and look into our portfolio, because today we'll be discussing about whatever place we are in. We are going to discuss all of them and what point we are standing at, what should be our future course of action. So without further delay, let's go ahead and look into our account. Wow, so see, now for the last 2 weeks we have lost so much, around 22% of our account portfolio, and that's huge. And guys, this is a market correction. Everyone in the market is losing on his portfolio, but we are investors, not day traders, so we should not be worried. We are holding our positions. Whenever we get a chance, we should be averaging it up. A dollar average will help us further. So if you have some money, put it in the account and do some dollar average for your plays. That way we will have a quicker recovery and a stronger place. So now what I'm trying to say is, like, okay, so what happened during the whole event of the last 2 weeks? If you see the account here, every ticker which we are playing went down, but here is something interesting. I was out of fuel cell at 29, as I said, like, and then I entered few calls just to keep the ride up, but again the calls were totally put down because everything came down, and when you are on options the risk is like you lose very fast. But at the same time I had a GTC that is called good till cancel. So I had a trade as a GTC placed in my account for fuel cell at $14, and it did touch 14 and went up. So like in last week Thursday or something, I was looking at it and I was on $500 profit on this one. I got 101 shares executed at rate of $14. So this is what is very important, guys. You should always be prepared for red days. When I was saying constantly that you will be getting red days, we have to cash it out, we have to put in some cash, guys. That is where I put in my real portfolio, and then I do average out, I do buy shares on the dips. And this is nothing new. Warren Buffett does the same thing. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to place a GTC order so that anything happens such like that and we have a notion that the stock we might get at low, we should be going ahead and doing that. So I will just try to help you in that. Let's go ahead and say, for example, the same stock. For example, I have FCEL. I'll create a new order here, and then what I do is, like, okay, I'll get 51 shares for example, and I say I want to get at 13 bucks. What I do is, like, I say GTC and extended hour LCS. What does that mean is, like, you have an option from to get it at from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. whenever it touches that, and that is something we would like to do for GTC orders. We don't want to lose the pre-market and post-market benefits. And then just hit the place order. That will be all, like here. You have to select the buy and then place order, and then you have to say continue because you are sure like okay this is going to happen. So that is how you place a order. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our place. Okay, so ZOM, currently ZOM is sitting at, wait a second, where is it? Okay, here we go. Okay, so currently ZOM is sitting at 1.98 and still holding strong. We have at 2.19 right now, and I will not be worried about it. And I will not be adding, means you can still add if you want, because ZOM is again a very good play for a longer term. If you want to get on like to a longer term and get half the positions cashed out, you can just go ahead and add it, but it depends on you. Tattooed Chef right now, if you see here, its last trading price is $20. It also went to $19. That was like the lowest it touched, and I think this is a pretty good price to get into Tattooed Chef. You can also go for option plays for Tattooed Chef. The option play for Tattooed Chef would be $25 play for 2022 leaps. You can start adding it, and whenever there is a red day, you can go ahead and add one more leap. So if you want to play big on those. Then we have NNDM. NNDM also went below $10. We have an average price of $15, guys. This is something I would like you to go ahead and add few shares on NNDM, because the gap is more. If you see here, it's 34% here and the loss. So I think here we can do a dollar average. This is a good place. We can do a dollar average, and we know that NNDM is going to come up. Now I got free shares, that is fine. And then this is golden nuggets, guys. So there has been going a lot about golden nuggets in the market, and it's sleeping, guys. It's literally sleeping right now, and I see there is a loss. Like here we have a loss of 25%, and that is the most amount we have invested in any company right now. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be like 50, but it's going to take some time because it's consolidating itself again and again. So right now we have a discounted price of $14.50. We took at 19, so I think this is the price. It should not break this price, and still if you want to add, you can still add, or if you want to have a look and be patient about and see where the direction goes, whether it's sideways movements or bullish moment comes in after bearish moment, what is currently we are seeing in golden nuggets, we can go ahead and start it. So right now I will not say like go ahead and average it out. Don't do that right now. Whenever I feel, I will come and let you know like okay, you can go ahead and put in more in golden nuggets. Going to fuel cell, guys. Fuel cell is going back to 30s. Only we are waiting for the sector rotation again, which happened, and the whole market was crashed, because if you see Nasdaq was down, but the Dow made good progress few days. So fuel cell is bound to go to 30s again. You can, I bought it at 14s here because the GTC got executed. You can still, it's a good price at 17, or if it comes around 16 and 15, I will say especially go ahead and add it. And then there is Chris here. It's again below $10, which I said earlier, guys, and below $10 it is a buy. Bingo, again the same thing, it's below $10, it's going to $20. So Chris and Bingo both are $20 play for me. We have to add it. If you are new into this market and you just have arrived on this video and then you started investing today, guys, all the stocks which is in our portfolio is at a discounted rate. You're going to double it from here soon enough, guys. APXT we discussed in the last video, and time is coming. It's testing its patience, it's testing everything. It's going to 13s, is where it started. It's like a SPAC where it starts at 10, so it's obviously touching those parameters. But again, 15th of March is arriving, so now we are like 15 to 20 days. Hold on, guys, let's see how it plays. I'm pretty sure once the hype starts, once the market settles, the hype will start, and this is a point is something a merger people are looking at. So we'll go ahead and look at it. Apart from these plays, guys, there's one play which I was more interested in, and I did not miss it on my main portfolio, but here I did miss it because I did not have a GTC here in this play. For that, it was Workhorse. Guys, Workhorse is a solid company, but again, because it did not get the merger with the it did not get orders, or basically it did not go through the selection process of USPS, and Oshkosh got the deal. It fell down. That is not the end of the world for Workhorse, is it? It's going to get some other client sooner or later, and again it's going to push back to 40s. You know what damage it can do. It can go to 40s, 50s, and way beyond. It has the power, and if you have the power, go ahead and grab Workhorse shares. It's lingering around 15 right now. Anything below 15 is a definite buy for Workhorse. WKHS. If you are wondering what it is, so it will be Workhorse group here. It is at 16s here, you see, and yeah, so weekly, you know how it fell from 40s to 13s. I entered it at for around 14s in my main portfolio, but again, this is something I'm targeting at. So once I am having some cash in my account, which again every month we do put some cash in our account, as you say, we have to feed money because we are into plays and we have new plays coming up. We need something, or we need to dollar average. We need something, some money. So you have to feed to your account. So guys, go ahead and keep an eye on Workhorse, and these are all the plays which we will be playing around. So that would be all for the day, guys, and let's hope the market correction comes again and it goes up in the high. So what I am predicting right now is like, do not do a panic sale, guys. Do not do a panic sale. Hold it. I believe by April 15th you will see your portfolio more than what it used to be 2 weeks earlier. That's what I think, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold out, and then probably I'll book my profits on 15th of April probably. So I'll be keeping you guys posted on that. Apart from that, if you have any questions, any doubts, do shoot me on the comments. Let's talk it out. That will be all for the guys today, guys. Keep investing and keep rocking.